creating something real quick on the computer. It's a cutout, a gold crown cutout, and some circles. Let's go ahead and start. I'm on Design Space, and we're going to go to your left-hand side on Images, and we're going to click on what we're looking for. And I'm looking for a gold crown. And I'm going to go to Ownership because I uploaded this crown. Right here. Wait. I wonder why my picture's not coming up. Ever since I updated my Design Space to the latest version, some of my images do not appear. So let's see if this works. And once you click on the image, we're going to go ahead and insert images. Where's my crown? Okay. I'm going to go to my projects, and I'm going to, because I already have it saved. Let's see what happens. You see? Right here, I don't understand. And I always saved it. This is the crown that we're going to cut today. So let's just go ahead and click it from here and click on Customize, click on Replace, because we're going to delete what we already had chosen from our images. And it's the same. I don't understand. Okay. I'm going real quick here to view, and I'm going to force reload. So maybe it can reload our page and our crown will pop up. Oh boy, it did not pop up. Let's go ahead and go back to view, and let's go ahead and click on reload. It's not coming up. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm going on my phone real quick. I'm going to go on my phone, and I'm going to try to print from my phone. Okay, let me go to crown. Wow. On my phone, I did find the crown. Let me go to filters. Remember, guys, I'm on my phone. You won't be able to see it. I'm going to take a screenshot. Here it is. Let me go ahead and print it real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I printed it out real quick. Here's the picture of the crown, which I printed it from my phone because I don't understand what's going on with Design Space on my computer. So that's, you're going to see it right now. Okay, since I already have it on my phone, I already printed it out. So let's see if this works. Select the machine you'll be using. I'll be using the Maker today. And let's go ahead and click on Make It. And I'm going to print out 6 so I can save some space, save my entire 8.5 by 11 page. And we're going to go ahead and click on Apply. For some reason, like I said, something's going on with my Design Space on my computer. It should be in here. So what I did was I printed it out from my phone. I stuck it onto my mat, and I'm going to continue on my computer, see if it works. Let's go ahead and click on continue, and I'm using 65-pound white cardstock. Now, I'm going to choose cardstock for intricate cuts. Why? Because the top of the crowns are thin, and my mat is not that sticky. I had to stick it down with some tape. Now, go ahead and grab your mat, load it to your machine. And then the pressure will remain the same. Tools needed is just your blade. And I'm not going to use the fast mode because, like I said, I'm using the intricate cuts because of the top of the crown. So let's go ahead and cut that and see if it comes out. Let's see if it works. Okay, it did work. I printed out from my phone. I continued on the computer like you guys saw, and it printed out fine. There's a picture. So let's go ahead, let's go back, let's go ahead and hit cancel, click on yes, let's go back to the canvas, which we can do it from here. Click on those three little bars, click on canvas. Let's go ahead and hide that crown, like we'll be able to see it, right? Let's go to shapes, let's grab a circle. Let's size the circle to 0.8 by 0.8. This measurement, it's because I'm using 7.5-inch letters and they are pretty thick. So if you're using smaller letters, of course, measure first and then you can continue. Let's go ahead and click on make it. We already have the machine, which is the maker. I'm going to use 110-pound glittered cardstock. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill up the page and I'll just save them. So let me put 100. Okay. Okay, once you do that, we're going to go ahead and click on continue. On this next step, we're going to go ahead and change it from intricate cut to poster board because mine is pretty thick. Let's wait for my machine to recognize, my computer to recognize my machine again. Click on poster board and same technique. Load, I'm sorry, not load. Stick your glitter cardstock onto your mat, load it to your machine, and you can go ahead and click the fast mode. And I'll see you guys back at the table so we can start assembling our letters. Now that we're back at the table, we have the crown cut out. We have some gold bling. And I have here my circles. We have our letters. These are standalone letters. They're 7.5 inches tall. And I already painted them white. I gave them 3 coats of the white. So first we're going to go ahead and start with the O. I grabbed the crown. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue it on here. Okay, let's just go ahead and set that aside. I'm just going to go ahead and put it back here. And then next we're going to go ahead and grab the N. What I'm going to do is apply Mod Podge right on the bottom. Like, just go, if you want, you can grab a ruler so your line can be straight. Just going to go ahead and mark it. Okay, from the bottom down, we're going to go ahead and grab our glue. Apply the glue on the front part, and then I'm going to add the glitter. You just need 1 coat of the glitter, but just enough glue so it can look chunky. Set that aside to dry. I let it dry at least a couple of hours. just going to go ahead and clean this up so we can start with the E. Now for the E, what I do is grab all my circles and I'll just start placing them. First, I'll try it out. And what I do first is I'll just place it here in the corner and I'll bend it in. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if you guys can see. You see, you bend it just to try it out, just for that corner circle. Okay, you bend it, and then next, just gonna go ahead and grab one circle here, just not too. You don't have to put them all together like this, and then again grab this one in the corner. Just go like this. I bend it that way. I'll get my X-Acto knife and cut it before I glue it on, because if you glue it on then cut it with the X-Acto knife, you might ruin the paint. And then this one right here. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and grab this one here. We have them all. What I'm going to do is start gluing them down. But first, I'm going to grab these, the ones in the corner, and I'm going to use, like I said, my X-Acto knife and cut it. Okay, and then what I'm going to do after I bend, cut, I will go ahead and replace it, and I'm going to glue them down. Okay, now that we're done with the E, we're going to set that aside as well. I'm just going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit, come back, and this is dried. And what I do is take it outside, one coat of this super high shine Mod Podge, then bring it back in so we can decorate the top. Okay, now that the letter is dry, we're just gonna go ahead, clean it up a little bit, and grab our little gems, and I'm gonna glue them right here. Okay, it is ready. I'm going to post a picture right at the end of the video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting.